groundnuts or peanuts. This is a very healthy and tasty snack for children and adult also. Now let us see how to fry these groundnuts at home. See how nicely it was fried. Keep a thick pan on stove. Let it get heat. Later you add groundnuts and fry them in low flame only. If you fry in medium flame or high flame, it will fry faster and inside it will be raw taste. So please fry groundnuts in a low flame only. The only one and only precaution you have to take is keep stirring them. If you leave it like that, they will burn one side. So continuously mixing these groundnuts is mandatory. Once these groundnuts are nicely fried, you can listen cracking sounds of groundnuts and you can touch the groundnut, the peel will come off. To fry these groundnuts, I took 10 minutes. After removing from stove also, you keep stirring them for 2 minutes. Because of pan heat, they will get burned. So after removing from stove also, please stir the peanuts for a while. See, you take the peanut and press it. The peel should go off like that and the peanut should be in golden brown color. It tastes very nice and healthy snack for everybody. Enjoy the